Hi friends! We're painting leaves over abstract graphic shapes with watercolor. It's unconventional to use watercolor to paint this type of design. I have seen plenty of this type of paintings done with Adobe Illustrator or gouache. But I like the imperfection of watercolor for this type of design. Because I like the human touch to the piece, so it looks hand painted. First I paint the gray background and then laying down the slight bluish gray big shape, value shape there. And then I pre-mixed some pink, too dark. Too bright, so I'm adding some water and a little bit of green to lessen the brightness. Here comes the second darkest color of this piece. I'm keeping everything muted so it's versatile for home decor. Pale gold shadow of the leaves to add dimension. I'm adding texture over the pink. Here's the darkest color, a little bit texture on the companion piece. It's great to see your vision realized on paper. Thanks so much for watching. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring you new contents and help you in your creative journey. See you next time. Happy painting!